if your thought process is very erratic and not at all obedient to you, I told you, your responses are totally reactive, instinctive, and so you keep creating trouble for yourself in any situation. Have you observed this? Many times in workplaces, work situations, this happens. You spoke something more than what was required. You did something which was out of place. So you created problems for yourself. And then you brooded over them. Your memory got clogged. So all these problems are self-created, isn't it? For the simple reason, I am not able to handle my thought process. There are 4 things in you which you should learn to handle as a result of yoga. As a result of becoming conscious within, I learned to handle my thought, my emotion, my will, and my awareness. Not that you handle your awareness, it is due to awareness that you are handling the thought process, but you are at least becoming more and more conscious within yourself. You are building awareness, that is the meaning. Culturing awareness. Not just an over-cluttered mind which you do not know how to handle, you want to get out of it. Like an over-cluttered room. You can't live in that room, isn't it? Sometimes the rooms of youngsters are like that, over-cluttered with 100 things which you don't want. If mind is not organized, the room will not be organized. So then you want to get out of that room and study somewhere else. So also you will want to get out of your mind and be somewhere else. In fact, all the getaways that people plan, they plan very costly getaways. To get out of what? Not their life situations, to get out of their minds. But they will go there and keep brooding and getting irritated over this and that. The same tendencies continue. Wherever you go, the mind goes with you. So make peace with it right where you are through the practice of yoga. So that all these faculties come in your hands. Vivekananda used to say, this is part and parcel of education. Not that there is a special course which teaches you this, and it's not like that. If you do not learn to handle this equipment, you cannot handle properly the things in the external world. That is why he used to say, education is man-making, character-building, assimilation of ideas. Even any person who has been successful in any field, you ask him and he will tell you mind management is the essential thing. The US soccer coach, Knute Rockne, he once said, I have to bring out the best energy of my men, the team, football team. And for that I have to make sure that they don't have hard emotions. If one man hates another, say of the opposite team, he cannot bring out all his energy if he has negative emotions in him. So I make sure that he removes all hate and anger from his system. And then I know the team is fit for the game. So you see, everybody understands this simple concept that if you can't handle your thought and emotion, you are not going to go towards your goals. You can go anywhere. So this is not an option. This is what I am trying to tell you, that let me do yoga when I feel like it. It's not like that.